Another cool thing of our portal is the Ask AiDi feature. Sometimes the fastest way to get an answer from your data is to ask a question using natural language. The Ask AiDi lets you explore your data in your own words. Click on the AiDi widget here to access this feature. You'll be presented with a list of data models to select from. Let's select our revenue data model. Here we can enter our question to see possible answers and suggestions. We can also choose a question from a pre-populated list of suggestions. Let's see it in action. I'm interested to see my geographical revenue contribution. I can type my question here, or make it super easy. I can ask AiDi. For example, ask show me continent-wise sales. Now, there can be some errors, or if I want to do any modifications to the question, I can do that. I can send it to AiDi. AiDi will choose a default visualization, but you know what? We can be specific about the visual type. Let me get it in a tabular format. I just realized that this is the entire sales and I want to group it by my relevant financial year. So let's modify a question and ask AiDi. Type show me sales by financial year and continent as a table. And there you go. Oh, I just realized, as there are 2 dimensions here, it would be better to present it in a matrix format. Let's try that out. Now type show me sales by financial year and continent as a matrix. Great! It's so simple and convenient. However, please note that your data model needs to be trained or tuned properly for AiDi to understand your technical jargon and synonyms. Once done, use the reset button here to navigate to the initial screen. In this session, we briefly touched upon the major features of AiDi, and that is just a sneak peek. There are a lot of cool things which you can do with AiDi, and we are constantly innovating. And we're excited for you guys to try it out. See you later. For more information, visit docs.aidi.ai.